Amazon review sharing is dead, and it's not necessarily a bad thing. It actually might be a positive thing for the majority of sellers out there who play by the rules in the way that they're supposed to. My name is Noah Wickham. I'm VP of Sales and Marketing here at My Amazon Guy, and let's ignore that I still have all my Christmas decorations up, so they're coming down here soon. But let's talk more about the Amazon reviews dying. What exactly am I talking about? I first talked about this over on my LinkedIn. If you are not following me over there, I would really encourage you to. I drop all sorts of news like this immediately over there, but it's about this news that Amazon brought up the other day, which is changes to how reviews are shared across product variations starting on February 12th. So, what exactly is happening? Starting on the 12th, they're changing the review shared across different product variations to improve the accuracy and help customers make more informed purchasing decisions. That makes a lot of sense to me. Cool. So, what exactly are they actually changing? Currently, reviews are shared across all variations of a product, even when variations have significant differences in features or specifications. That's the very, very key part there is the features or specifications. This can lead to reviews that don't accurately reflect the specific variation a customer is considering. So, which parts are actually going to be a part of this here? Amazon says reviews will continue to be shared for the following variations: color pattern variations of the same product, cool. Size variations that maintain the same function, like king sized, queen sized. Pack size or quantity, secondary scent variations for non scent focused products like lemon scented versus unscented, and then different model fitments for the same product type, like phone cases for different models. So, okay, couple of things to unpack there. So they gave us what is going to stay the same, and I think it makes a lot of sense when we're thinking about how product variations work on Amazon. Currently speaking, you can have a product, let's say a t-shirt, and you can have a black t-shirt, a blue t-shirt, a red t-shirt, a white t-shirt, right? And all of those products are the same product, just different colors, so to speak, right? And if somebody buys it, leaves a review on the black t-shirt, and then somebody else buys one of the red, leaves a review. If you have everything under a parentage, the child variations are going to share those reviews. Instead of the black and the red both having one review, they get the nicety of showing two reviews under the parentage. It's a very common thing. Now, a problem that has plagued Amazon for many years is this aspect where people will have, let's say, a really, really, really popular product. Let's say you sell something like a Rubik's Cube, right? And somebody will be selling this Rubik's Cube. But what they will do is, because this Rubik's Cube sells so very well, they will also then decide to put their little, mind game, whatever this thing is that I have on my desk here. They'll put this under the same exact parentage as the Rubik's Cube as another game variation. And what they'll say is that this is game one as the variation, and this is game two. What happens here is that game one, that was super popular, now is sharing all of the reviews with game two, even though game two is a brand new product and it's not even the same exact product. This is a very, very common phenomenon, not really phenomenon, but strategy that many people in niches that don't typically have typical variations of their products, such as a colorway, a different sizing, or anything like that when it comes to packages, that they would choose to try and just get more reviews. It really works well, especially when you think about doing something like advertising, where now you can advertise game one and game two at the same time, and they both look like they are exceptionally popular products. Now, this is obviously a problem, and the majority of sellers don't face this problem because the majority of sellers are going to always be probably within these colors, or in the color, the pattern, the sizing, pack size, so on and so forth. Now, the sellers that this will negatively impact, that it probably shouldn't negatively impact, is that it is likely to impact flavor. And I know that that seems odd because it's not going to impact scent, but that is one where if you are selling a consumable of any kind, that is one that for food items and consumables, this is going to be taking effect, where essentially any form of consumable with a flavor variant is going to likely need to be its own entire parentage. Because what Amazon wants to do with variations and parentages is they would like you to essentially have your, let's say, hot Fritos flavor and then just your Fritos flavor as different parentages, and then have single variation for pack sizes. That's what they want variations to look like. So I think overall, this is not going to affect the majority of sellers in any negative way. In fact, it's probably positive because you're not going to have to deal, if you're a game seller, with somebody just stealing, 10,000 reviews across, 25 different products that aren't the same product at all. So that will be a major positive. But if you are somebody who sells consumables or anything like that, it's definitely going to probably be a bit of a hindrance for you, especially in the sense that you're going to have to break a lot of your parentages here in the next month. And you're going to have to essentially create brand new ones and hope that you have the reviews. It's going to be like a brand new product launch in some instances. So if you're stuck in that situation and you don't know what you're going to do, feel free to reach out to us here at My Amazon Guy. My team is already prepping SOPs and processes on how best to handle this and how best to set up parentages to make sure that every single client that we work with has the best success here.